my name is Miss Noel, and welcome to VAPA Class with Miss Noel, where we combine visual and performing arts standards in a variety of disciplines across ELA, ELD, NGSS, mathematics, and more. We're also going to talk about how the arts address equity in the classroom, make UDL easier, support social, emotional health and wellness in students, and much more. I'm really glad you're here. It's probably no secret to any of you that I am reading from a script. This is to be expected. Scripts are an excellent tool for performance, a blueprint of where you are going and where you came from. Writing them is an art, the same way that speaking in public is an art, or writing and presenting essays that make sense. But if you're a second grader, which do you prefer? Write and present an essay, or create and perform a script? I know which one draws me. In this video, we're going to talk briefly about combining the History and Social Studies Standard 2.1 with Media Art Anchor Standard 4 in the content area of producing. This is my favorite video so far because I'm not actually teaching you anything. There's no link between these two disciplines needed. They naturally blend together almost effortlessly in an idea you've surely had before. I'm just here to tell you why that idea is really, really good. The History Social Studies Standard 2.1 asks the question, how do families remember their past? Now, the framework correctly encourages the instructor not to create predetermined images of families, but to leave it vague and allow students to fill in either with what their family looks like or to research a real or fictional family of their choosing. Exposure to different families leads to much greater levels of empathy and understanding among students and, according to the HSS framework, helps students both locate themselves and their own families in history and learn about the lives and historical struggles of their peers. Now, let's look at media arts, which is a combination of a variety of media and can meet standards with and without technology to ensure accessibility across income levels. There is a focus on understanding how content and arts combine to make rich, complex, complete works of art. And Anchor Standard 4, where you select, analyze, and interpret artistic work for presentation, actually includes the second grade standard. Students will practice combining varied academic arts and media content into unified media artworks, such as a narrated science animation. You got it, kids. It's time to make a movie. First, you do the research and write the script. This involves finding source material that is unique to the family experience you choose. Could be newspaper clippings, personal interviews with family members, documented stories, oral histories, or if the family you're working on is entirely fictional, you get to watch the show or read the book and curate the family tree. Bring your work together with pictures and create the script that goes behind it, detailing how the family interacts, how they live on a daily basis, and how your current day-to-day life differs from that. This can be completed as a narrated scrapbook, a PowerPoint presentation, a short film, or even read aloud as a children's book. The multitude of presentation styles possible means that the project adapts to many different types of learners and presenters, #UDL. The variation in content means that each child can both learn something and also feel represented in the general space, #accessibility. And the framing of the project as a hands-on work of art can result in a deeper understanding of both the HSS standard as well as the media arts standard, #integration. For more information and examples of how to bring the visual and performing arts into your second grade classroom, email missnoelsays@gmail.com or call 209-761-5666. This has been the VAPA Class with Miss Noel. Thanks for watching.